Inventory check complete for Sector Gamma.
Confirmed. Moving to the next row.
We need to expedite aluminum composite.
Already on it, the lasers are running at full capacity.
We're running low on the X9 processors. Did the shipment arrive?
Are these cables within tolerance?
Yes, they measure perfectly. Proceed with stripping.
Welcome to the future of material management. Our automated systems ensure precision delivery of premium alloys and composites.
All systems operational. Precision cut confirmed. Our CNC machines work in perfect harmony, crafting the next generation of robotics with unmatched precision.
Welcome to the future of manufacturing, where precision meets perfection.
The core temperature is stabilizing at 300 Kelvin.
We need to reduce the flow rate on Unit 4 to maintain the gradient.
The thermal readings on line 4 are stabilizing perfectly.
Yes, the cooldown sequence is nominal and within the parameters for the advanced robot components.
The thermal readout on Sector Gamma is stabilizing.
Good, we are within the required delta for the advanced robot.
We're seeing rapid stabilization across the manifold.
Looks good. Maintain current flow rate until phase transition is complete.
The feed rate on the Z-axis seems slightly off spec.
It's within tolerance, but let's adjust the coolant pressure just in case.
The oscillation speed is optimal here, but we're seeing a slight variance in the zeta potential on grid 7.
The laser calibration is holding steady.
Good. we are maintaining optimal speed and pressure for the components.
Pressure levels are stable at 500 megawatts.
Confirmed. The cut is perfectly clean.
We are within tolerance for the advanced robot specifications.
Check the alignment sequence on Unit 7.
Looks stable, well within parameters.
The surface integrity on Unit 7 is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The actuator response time is also optimal.
Cross-referencing the schematic now, everything aligns.
Measurement confirmed. 0.75.
Sign off on Section 4.
Check the alignment on the primary housing.
Looks good. The laser scan confirms it.
Calipers read within tolerance.
Confirmed. Stress test initiated on Joint 7.
Assembly sequence initiated. All parameters within optimal limits. Proceeding to structural reinforcement. With surgical precision, the final components of the internal structure are secured, ready for the next stage of integration.
Look at the precision on that movement.
The stabilization matrix is holding perfectly.
It adapted to the randomized obstacle in real time. Look at the precision on that movement.
All systems are reading green. Amazing.
Electroplating sequence complete. Commencing protective polymer application. The electroplated components are now entering the final surface treatment phase, applying a durable, corrosion-resistant coating.
Electroplating sequence complete. Final coating application initiated. System status is optimal.
In this climate-controlled chamber, our advanced robotic components undergo the electroplating process.
All measurements are within the required specifications. The coating is consistent.
Excellent. We can authorize the next phase.
Utilizing laser scanning and sensitive probes, we ensure every component meets our rigorous standards for thickness and conductivity.
Scan complete. Thickness variance 0.01. Conductivity at 99%. Unit compliant.
The calibration on the left servo is complete.
Excellent. Rerunning diagnostics now.
Rerunning the diagnostic sequence now.
Confirmed. All systems are operating within tolerance.
If you love futuristic technology, robotics, engineering, and mega factories, this video is for you.